Do you have concerns with the safety, smell, or color of your well water? You're not alone. When you're investing in a well water filtration system for your family, you need to know what the ideal solution is and how to install and maintain it. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the 6 top-rated iron filters for well water. You can find more info and exclusive discounts on these products in the description below. At Freshness, we have reviewed hundreds of water treatment solutions and will only recommend the very best based on our years of industry experience. Let's dive in. Starting at number 6 with the best chemical injection system is the Pentair Iron and Manganese Filter System. This system for well water arrives at your home preloaded and ready to install. The unique 4-stage filtration system contains a sediment filter, chlorination injector, patented mixing chamber, iron trapping filter media, gravel, underbed with auto backwash, and premium carbon filtration. The multi-stage approach treats well water for bacteria, minerals, and aesthetic issues while removing those nasty red stains. Using an advanced dosing system paired with green sand filtration, iron and manganese are oxidized and washed away. The self-priming chemical removal pump doesn't run on electricity, which helps keep energy costs down and eliminates rust stains on sidewalks and driveways. Pelican is also compatible to use with septic systems. The durable stainless steel construction means the water filter system can enjoy a 10 to 15 year lifespan. When you order the Pentair system, you'll receive a sediment pre-filter system with mounting hardware, a chlorination system with metering pump and solution tank, a 1-inch bypass valve and fittings, and a generous 50-foot 3/4 inch drain line. The pros are the 60-day satisfaction guarantee and 1-year warranty, that it reduces iron up to 10 ppm, it eliminates red staining on toilets, sinks, and tubs, you can choose between 2 models depending on size of your home, and it's safe for use with septic systems. The cons are that the installation kit is sold separately and it doesn't specifically target sulfur. Also, the injector pump can make a loud clicking noise. At number 5 is the best iron filter and water softener combo, the SpringWell filter with salt-based softener system. Installing a SpringWell all-in-one water and softener system means removing high ppm levels of hydrogen sulfide, iron, and manganese that are commonly found in well water. SpringWell's auto backwash continually removes the grit and accumulated contaminants, while the filter's unique regeneration processes cleans the tank's resin beads while oxygenating the water with fresh air pockets. As the water passes through the air pocket, harmful contaminants are trapped in the proprietary green sand filtration media before being washed away from the filter bed down your drain. Next comes the softener to prevent limescale and calcium buildup. The secret to fresh, soft water is in the system's high-efficiency ion exchange process. The SpringWell softener was designed to completely remove hardness-causing minerals from your water. As water flows through the resin bed inside the tank, sodium and potassium chloride are exchanged with hardness-causing minerals to create the softest water possible for your home. The SpringWell AIO system and softener comes with an electronic control head and can be monitored right on your smartphone. Here, you can conveniently change valve settings and view water usage information. As a result, once it's set up, the system is completely and hands-off. The pros are the lifetime warranty on tanks and valves and a 6-month guarantee, that it specifically addresses removing sulfur, manganese, and iron for wells. It has a high flow rate with a guaranteed no drop in water pressure, and its smart Bluetooth control head for maintenance-free operating. The cons are that it may require professional installation if you're not DIY inclined, and it requires the use of salt and back flushing. At number 4 is the best budget option, the Crystal Quest Iron Whole House Water Filter System. If you're looking for the best iron filter for well water on a budget, but don't want to sacrifice performance, look no further. The Crystal Quest Iron Filter is capable of removing iron concentrations in well water of over 7 ppm, making it one of the best performers for well water with high iron concentration. Water flows through a green sand mineral tank to reduce not only iron, but also manganese and hydrogen sulfide. In addition, Crystal Quest includes their high-purity copper zinc formulation to prevent bacteria, fungi, and mold growth that is common with well water. Surprisingly, there's more. Also included with the system are pre- and post-filters. A 20-inch sediment pre-filter removes sediment, silt, sand, and dirt before entering the primary filter tank to protect and extend its useful life. On the back end, a 20-inch solid carbon cartridge removes volatile organic carbon compounds, and any remaining impurities or industrial solvents before the water enters your home's plumbing. You can choose between either a fiberglass or polished stainless steel material, and with 2 media configurations available, the system has an incredible capacity of 750,000 and 1 million gallons. The pros are that it's the best budget option for iron, manganese, and sulfur removal. It includes a 1-year warranty, easy setup and auto backwash with smart control head, and a high flow rate of 11 to 13 GPM. The cons are that it may require professional installation, and an additional smart filter or water softener are sold separately. At number 3 is our top cartridge-based system for iron removal, the Home Master 3-stage whole house water filter system. If your home relies on well water, there's a good chance that undesirable amounts of heavy metals and toxins are present in your water or through the plumbing. The Home Master is capable of removing up to 95% of iron, manganese, sediment, chemicals, and other contaminants with this 3-stage system. Stage 1 is a multi-gradient sediment filter with 4 separate layers to create triple the dirt holding capacity of similar-sized cartridges. Stage 2 is a unique radial flow filter designed to target high levels of iron, manganese, and copper, while Stage 3 is a coconut shell carbon filter to rid the water of any remaining impurities. The Home Master water filter is the best in its class for a straightforward reason. The unit delivers clean, clear water to every faucet and bath in your home without drawing down water pressure. Maintaining high water pressure is a key concern of home dwellers living on well water. Water pressure never falls short because the large housings accommodate the larger filters. The best part with a cartridge-based system is it arrives fully assembled, so it can be installed seamlessly to get the fresh water flowing. The pros are that it comes with a limited 2-year warranty, it removes up to 95% of common well water contaminants, it has large 1-inch water ports that can handle massive water flow at 15 GPM, and its oversized filters improve flow rate capacity and reduce maintenance costs. The cons are that it may require a professional plumber for installation, and it does not treat iron bacteria. You need a separate UV purifier. And the filter replacements can add up if you have heavy contaminants. At number 2 is the best for high iron levels, the Matrixx Infusion Iron and Sulfur Removal System. This system is a heavy-duty solution guaranteed to solve even the most stubborn well problems. The Matrixx Infusion system injects hydrogen peroxide using a professional-grade injection system to oxidate and remove iron, manganese, and hydrogen sulfide once and for all. When hydrogen peroxide is injected into well water in combination with the catalytic carbon filter media, a large amount of dissolved oxygen is released and strong oxidation takes place. The additional bonus with this system is that the hydrogen peroxide is suitable to eradicate a variety of microorganisms, like viruses and bacteria from your water too. An automatic backwash is then performed every day or two by the control valve, which flushes the bed and cleans it for the next cycle. Importantly, the Vortec tank design will save water and increase flow rate through backwashing. Setup and maintenance with the Matrixx is simple because of the Bluetooth-enabled smartphone app. This smart valve system integrates directly with your smartphone, and you'll have access to real-time data and settings. The precise electronic meter means contaminants are removed even in high water flow periods with minimal wastewater. Because the Matrixx tannin removal system is made in the USA and utilizes only professional-grade NSF-certified parts, you can count on it lasting for years to come. The pros are the lifetime warranty carbon tank, 10 years on valves, and 5 years on injection panel. It's the most effective way to eliminate that rotten egg sulfur smell. It removes iron up to 20 ppm, sulfur up to 30 ppm, and manganese up to 1 ppm. The Bluetooth application for monitoring and settings, and it uses up to 30% less water during backwash cycles. It's also made in the USA with NSF certified parts. The cons are that it is a more premium priced option, it may require professional installation, and it requires purchasing hydrogen peroxide. In the top spot is the SpringWell WS Whole House Well Water Filter System for iron removal. If you have iron, manganese, or sulfur contaminant issues, then this whole house filter system is for you. SpringWell's WS system is designed to be the economical and environmentally friendly solution for private wells. That means no more staining or rotten egg smell for your water. The SpringWell WS uses the latest air injection oxidation technology. The filter system maintains an air pocket in the top of the tank, and as the water passes through the air pocket, iron, sulfur, and manganese is oxidized, allowing the system to remove the now oxidized iron, sulfur, and manganese from the water. Because the SpringWell water filter comes with a Bluetooth-enabled smart head, installation and setup is easy. The innovative application gives you complete control over all settings right in your smartphone. View water usage, set backwash cycles, and change valve settings at the touch of a button. Since the system includes everything you need for installation, there's no additional cost necessary. And once it's installed, there's no drop in water pressure. The SpringWell WS has 2 different models, designed based on the number of bathrooms in your home to guarantee optimal water pressure. SpringWell is one of a few companies building their products in the USA with only certified components. The best part? It's backed with a lifetime warranty and a 6-month money-back guarantee. The pros are that it has an innovative mobile app control center. It removes up to 8 ppm of hydrogen sulfide, up to 7 ppm iron, and 1 ppm manganese. It removes sulfur and that rotten egg smell and water discoloration. It efficiently conserves water in backwash cycles, and it has a lifetime warranty and a 6-month guarantee. The cons are that professional installation may be required if you're not DIY inclined, and the sediment filter may need to be cleaned frequently if water is heavily contaminated. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water filtration information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.